Hey everybody, today we're in a Honda Pilot. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855198. There are a couple things we want to mention before we get started. First off is this mount does use some double-sided tape. You can see this blue covering here. You want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount to the dash. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. The second thing is you want to make sure you install the mount to the dashboard before you attach anything to this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now there are two different places this mount's going to attach. The first is on this side, and it's between the hard plastic of the instrument shroud and the softer plastic of the rest of the dash here. So it's right in there. The second is it's actually behind this hard plastic facing of the vent. So it's going to be right in here, and it's just between that and the vent louvers. So the first thing you want to do is take this channel on this side, and you're going to insert it into that seam over there. And when it's in, you're basically going to rotate the mount around so that channel hooks in behind the hard plastic. And then we're just going to push it into place until it snaps in over here. There you go. Now the mount's in place, you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. I hope this video has helped. Have a great day.